Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Chowden with Countertrend Capital, and today I kind of wanted to review a Matic trade that I had set. I think it was about, let's see actually, um, on September 11th. Okay, so I did tell our group to enter. We did catch this wick here, and our stop was at this low. And at no time did I say to put our stop in profit and just hold this low as long as we can, because there are a lot of things on this chart that I see that there is what we say in our group is unfinished business. What I like to see is these shapes in the chart that make triangles. That these points will get revisited at one time or at some time. Um, and I wanted to show you how I actually got this. I've actually caught every single high. This was before our group was formed. I caught every single high of these zones. A lot of it has to do with this consolidation here. With something like this. The 188-200, of course, is my favorite. The 288-300, of course, as well. So I did short here, held a little bit red, but you know what? Who cares? Because the move down was awesome. And now I switch it up. If it were to continue higher, go something like that. And bam, almost to the tick. I entered it a little bit late because I sometimes, it just reacts a little differently. Now, I kind of want to see right here, it did go down. There is a B point right here. And if you guys are unfamiliar with harmonics, it's a XABCD pattern, like so. And the B points always get tested, or like to. So that one is now taken care of, and I do not see any point, at least in this chart, to continue going higher. As you can see, this B point has been negated, like so. But I do want to keep this. It usually does touch it, so let's see here. What if we swing this from this low? Yeah, we could even go beyond it a little bit, but we are not there yet. Okay, so I am continuing to hold this. I'm not sure who else is holding. Obviously, it did hit a spot here. I know my partner Tim, I think he caught this top here. Yeah, look at that perfect 188-200 touch. And even here, maybe from this swing, yeah, just like that. But I do expect continuation. That's just me. And oh yeah, I wanted to share. Okay, well let's look at this. Possibly like this. Now there is a triangle here in this structure, and what I mean by triangle, it's kind of like this, perhaps. And I do see that being tested. This could be an area of interest of a hedge, and obviously here would be another potential area for a hedge. And how I got this was kind of unconventional, super unconventional. It was what I expected the move. Um, let's see here. Yeah, so after it did all this, I expected it to come down to hit that. This kind of psyched me out. Um, so how I got this, I took the psi, what I call the psi in a wick-off pattern, is something like this. As a psychological point, I'm not sure what Wyckoff meant by psi, but that's how I understand it. And this is how I got it. I was actually working. I've been really busy the past couple months, actually, but this month in particular, I'm fighting the weather with my farm and trying to get everything in. And so I was really psyched about or psyched out about this wick. So I almost think this is like a fake out, and then it'll dump, and then this is the real pump, possibly for my analysis, and then this is supposed to be the real pump to engage. And I do want to reach towards these areas. That would be sick. But anyways, yeah, so that's what I'm kind of looking at right now. Right here is our next, what I'm looking at right here. Hopefully it continues up. And yeah, so if you want to learn to trade like this and through other methods, I know my buddy Tim, he caught this with a different strategy than mine, but we have a lot of confluence. But yeah, so if you want to learn how to trade like this, go ahead and look at the link in the description below. We also have links to BitGet for international users and BingX for our US users, no KYC needed, where you can learn how to leverage trade and get as much as you can out of this market and without blowing up your account. Okay? So, hope you guys have a great day, and thanks. See you guys later.